The we're on our shuttle headed to the hotel. Just went through all of customs and immigration. It's a little warm. And how's everybody else doing? Good. See you in a second.
Got a cool driver. Driver name.
What's your name, boss?
Vincent!
Vincent!
So now we're entering our room from a long day of traveling for day one. Mama is directly across the hall from us.
Yay!
And now we'll just be getting settled in and grabbing something from the buffet. See y'all tomorrow.
Good morning.
Morning. We're here.
Day two.
Day two. Next morning here at breakfast. We didn't do much yesterday. Got a couple drinks. Took a long nap.
We got these beautiful shots at the bar.
We did get some nice shots.
Got some good sleep.
Great sleep.
Yeah. Power went off.
Power did go off last night and this morning while both me and Mama were in the shower. Separately.
Yeah.
Separately.
Yeah. In separate rooms.
Separate rooms, separate showers. But we were both in at the same time. And the power went off. And we'll be hitting the town today, going to do a little shopping and just kind of do a little exploring. So, see you later. Alrighty, we have wrapped up our day of shopping. It was very eventful, a lot of things. We got a lot of things, souvenirs. Anybody?
I got me this beautiful bracelet.
Beautiful.
Oh, and I got me some pretty whatnot. Thank you.
Oh yeah, you're good. You want to get in it?
And a Bob Marley purse.
Bob Marley purse. Got some sandals.
I got a hat.
Couple shot glasses, t-shirts.
A couple shots for case. Yeah.
I got a couple free shots. Ashley, you want to get in it?
Come here. Just say hi or something.
This is waitress or Ashley. Isn't she so pretty?
We're here at dinner here tonight at Peppers. I'm sorry, Peppers. And this is our waiter tonight. Waitress.
Hi.
Thank you. So yeah, we're enjoying our dinner. We haven't got the food yet.
We're eating oxtail and jerk chicken with some rice and peas and fries.
I got oxtail, rice and peas, and french fries. Mama got jerk chicken and french fries. Kayla got jerk chicken,
rice and peas,
and french fries.
No, I didn't.
No, we didn't get french fries. Oh.
You got rice.
That's it. Yeah. And that's it.
That's it.
Day 3 in Jamaica.
It is 11:09 a.m. We kind of got up late, but we slept good. I slept good.
I slept good. We went out. We went to the shop yesterday. Spent the whole day shopping. We seen a fight yesterday.
Yes.
We had incidents where we had to negotiate with people
Exactly. You know, I had to pull Kayla off of somebody, you know.
What else happened? Oh, I had somebody came up in my face trying to make me go to their shop. I said please. To my shop. Went to their shop. They had made a couple lady friends on the way. Had some of the shop. Keisha, Kelly, Rhonda, Shonda, all of them.
Damn.
Yeah. What else happened? What else happened?
Oh, Kayla was the highlight of the style yesterday. I think Jay got it today, you know.
Doing the red today. That's yeah, I won today. I won today.
And today we just gonna be going on the party boat, possibly getting going to the spa depending on what they're offering. And maybe seeing what we can do tomorrow. Then making plans for tomorrow as well.
See you later.
We about to get on this boat that's built for 45, but it's about 80 people here, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But we are going on a little party boat. We're gonna get off, snorkel, and ride jet skis, private beach, and like I said, that's what we're about to do, and we're gonna get it popping. We'll have a good time.
La música del latino, boricua, dominicano. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa.
One in the water. Jamaican water. Yeah, man.
Mami, baile así. Mami, baile así. Vamos. Boricua. Salte, mamita, 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 salte, mamita. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Baila ritmo, baby. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa. Everybody say whoa.
We are sitting down having lunch. We had jerk chicken and rice and the seasoned drinks. It tasted like, we don't know what it tasted like, but it was a fruit punch.
Some exotic fruit.
Next stop we're headed to is
Dundee's River.
Dunes River, something like that, Dundee's River. And that's it.
MONTEGO, do not let go. Go on the other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Cover your nose.
I can't lose my balance. We're not walking on straight. It's not like it's straight. I can get my balance, man. Go.
You're gonna be moving. Yes. We going on, boys?
tonight. We'll get ready to go to a neon party. That's Jay. That's me. Got neon.
What is that for you? And I'm doing a rerun, but I'm not showing myself.
Yeah, we're heading to a neon party.
Today was party.
Today was pretty crazy. We had a lot of water activities in the cave or of the waterfall. We jumped into a waterfall type thing. You guys will see it earlier. Seen a car accident. That was.
Went into a bar.
Yep. Car went into the. Well, it was a bar, restaurant.
Yeah, it was a bar.
Oh, went into the bar. We don't know any status of people. We just hope everybody was okay. Our driver, we enjoyed our driver, Charles. We enjoyed him. He had some crazy moments on the road. He drives pretty fast.
Like a race car driver.
Like a race car driver. Yeah, he hits those turns hard.
We went up a waterfall.
Yeah, I said that earlier. And so yeah, now to the neon party. We're not gonna go too wild tonight because gotta be up early. So we're gonna try to keep the party animals caged up. But when you're on vacation, you never know what's gonna happen. See you later. Morning, Saturday here at Chukka. First ride, we are about to be on some horses. Then we'll be, we need helmets for the horseback. Then we'll be traveling to, yeah, I would rush to get your hat back possibly.
Okay, let's see.
Or maybe you could leave it here. But nonetheless, then it's lunch. Then it's ATV, and then we're river rafting. So we'll check back in later.
Yeah, come on, let him loose, Django.
Woo, man! Well, you're pretty cool, man.
Jay just got real romantic on the horse ride and got me a flower.
While we were riding the
While we was
horses,
riding the horses.
rolled up on her, delivered the flowers straight to her.
That's so
Heading out to the ATVs. On my first time on the ATVs. And we're gonna try to capture all that.
Jamaica, manners, you know.
Manners.
Yes, yeah, manners, man, and I wish you folks to come again, you know.
Thank
I
you.
like to see you folks, man. Respect, manners,
brother.
See it, yeah, man, for real.
And to grab us some Kentucky Fried Chicken after a long, adventurous day. Gonna call it a wrap and tuck it in. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning. We are here at our last breakfast here on our trip in Jamaica. We leave today around 3 something. We're gonna go back to the room, pack our bags our fitness pack in our bags, take them to the front, head across the street, do some last minute shopping before we head on back home. So, little sad breakfast to be leaving today, but it was a great trip overall. And that was one of our servers. He's been great the entire time.
So here we are on our last day in Jamaica, enjoying the shops, taking a look around, seeing what else we can find, some last souvenirs for everybody back home. There I am, sexy mama. Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy our last couple of hours here before we have to take our flight back.